Understanding its customers' needs is at the core of doing business for HSBC. For the bank's wealth and personal banking business, accelerating this understanding through data helps to improve decision-making and solve problems. In less than a year, nearly 400 visualization products were migrated to Qlik's end-to-end real-time data integration and analytics solutions. Before Qlik, network employees had been using an existing BI system with static views and a limited self-serve interface, making reports extremely time-consuming. Thanks to HSBC's data and analytics team, the back-end data was automated, and they implemented the sales and incentives Qlik visualization suite to increase data literacy, demystify data, and empower its US branches and some 2,800 active users on a weekly basis. The dashboards created enable the branch network employees to review performance metrics, gain insights into customer needs, and deliver the best products and services. With a high user adoption rate and overwhelmingly positive feedback, HSBC continues its transformation as Qlik is implemented across various lines of business and markets.